week 6 Monday math, and it says combine 3-dimensional shapes. So they show you this 3-dimensional shape that's combined, and they want you to circle what those two shapes are. Is there a cube in that combined shape? A rectangular prism? A cone? There's going to be 2 of them. So circle the 2 shapes it is. Same with this one. Do you see a rectangular prism, cylinder, or cube? Okay, let's turn the page. Okay. All right. They have a rectangular prism. They have 2 cylinders, and this is the shape they made. Okay. They made a composite shape. Composite means putting more than one shape together to make a new shape. Okay. Here's another shape they made. So what they want you to do on this page is circle the shapes used to make each composite shape. So you've got this composite shape, and they've used 3 shapes. Find them and circle them. Here they used 2 shapes, and here they used 3. Find each shape they used and circle it. And then it asks you this question. We don't always go over this, but it says, will a cube stack on top of a sphere? What do you think? No, it will not. It would just fall right off. Remember, a sphere is like a ball. Okay? Here it says circle the shapes used to make each composite shape again. So you've got this shape, and this shape. Circle whatever was used to make these shapes. And then 7 says circle the shape that is not used to make the composite shape shown. So you've got these 2 shapes. They want you to circle the one that was not used. So it's a little tricky, a little different. Okay, back side. Okay, 8 says, how many faces are there all together in the shapes used to make the composite shape shown? This is where your shapes are going to come in handy, because then you can look at the flat places on them and count how many faces. Okay, so get your cone. How many flat parts are on your cone? Okay, count all the faces on the cube. Remember, side, side, front, back, top, bottom. So the faces all together in that composite shape. Write it down. Circle the shapes you can stack on a cube. Know that you can stack a cube on. Explain to a friend why you cannot stack a cube on the other shapes. Okay, can you put this cube on top of this? Do they both have flat faces? Can you put a cone on can you put the cube on top of the cone? Will it stay? Try it. Can you put the cube on a sphere? Will it stay? Can you put the cube on a rectangular prism, and will it stay? If it will, then circle it. If it won't, explain to your mom or a brother and sister why it won't. Okay, and you built this composite shape right here. Describe another composite shape you can build using these shapes. Okay, and that is it for Monday's math.